Get ready to dive into iOS 26.2, Apple's latest major refinement of its iPhone software, presented as the most ambitious overhaul since the dramatic leap from iOS 6 to iOS 7. This update places a strong emphasis on polishing the innovative liquid glass interface, with targeted improvements in readability, customization, and accessibility features, all while carefully preserving its bold, modern aesthetic and protecting day-to-day usability for everyday iPhone users. The original iOS 26 release introduced the groundbreaking liquid glass effect, which brings added depth, realistic light reflections, and refractions across menus, icons, and all system elements to create a more immersive experience. Apple has meticulously incorporated extensive user feedback gathered from the beta testing phase to fine-tune this effect, resulting in a version that feels significantly more polished, natural, and far less distracting during regular, everyday use on your iPhone. The iOS 26.2 beta version brings back more skeuomorphic-style icons that echo familiar real-world designs, striking an improved and thoughtful balance between the signature glassy aesthetic and the clarity of on-screen text for better overall legibility. It also rolls out a comprehensive series of new customization tools, empowering users with much greater control over the degree of transparency or solidity in their interface, allowing for highly personalized adjustments to suit individual preferences and needs. On the lock screen, iPhone users can now long press their chosen wallpaper, tap the Customize button, and seamlessly switch the clock display between elegant glass and sturdy solid styles with just a few taps. Apple has promised to deliver even more style variations in upcoming releases, thoughtfully engineered to automatically adapt to varying wallpaper colors and brightness levels, ensuring consistently sharp and visible results no matter the background. At the system-wide level, iOS 26.1 paved the way by adding the option to significantly reduce liquid glass transparency via settings, accessibility, display, and text size. Reduce transparency, which effectively softens intense background effects to enhance text and icon readability across the entire interface. Building on that, for even more precise adjustments, a new dedicated setting in display and brightness. Liquid glass enables users to toggle between clear and tinted modes, boosting opacity and contrast levels so that buttons, labels, and notifications pop more clearly against busy or colorful backgrounds. Even though some users continue to encounter readability challenges with specific wallpaper and icon combinations, with many opting to stick with clean icons, default configurations, or selectively tweaking liquid glass options to match their personal setups, iOS 26.2 emerges as a truly user-response-driven update from Apple. The company is steadfastly committed to upholding the bold, modern liquid glass design that defines iOS 26, while progressively integrating layers of accessibility enhancements, customization capabilities, and clarity optimizations to make the operating system both visually striking and reliably functional for a diverse range of users worldwide.